So you're very welcome back to Unstable TV. Of course, if this is your first time on the channel, do not forget to
like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks. So in June we went to Amsterdam and we recorded loads over there, and for some reason the footage just wasn't working for us, but it's working for us now. We don't know if we're going to have these in mini vlogs or a long vlog. We'll see which way the footage lets us. But here is all of the wonderful things we did on our trip to Amsterdam.
enjoy and make sure you watch to the end of each of these, because there might be a little surprise in it for you.
Ooh. First time in 2 years on a plane. We were very, very, very excited.
Getting through onto the plane was the most exciting part. Nearly got sucked into the engine, but that's what happens when you have the excitement of not being able to leave the country in over 2 years.
Oh, finally. Thank you.
It's been 2.5 years.
It's been too long. Oh my god. That's amazing.
And we got on a plane.
So here we are getting the train from the airport. If only Ireland was disconnected with the train from the airport. We still haven't got this here, which I think is ridiculous. But it's great how connected Amsterdam is. It's very easy to get around, and the train literally brings you around the whole way. You can actually go to different parts of Europe from this train station.
So here it is, just outside the train station. Look at these amazing views already before we even leave. How insane is this? Beautiful.
Whee!
Room tour. Budget friendly. Hotel.
So this room was quite small. Sad story about this. We lost our AirPods from the Wish unboxing in here. We forgot all about them. So rest in peace them. But it was a cozy room, especially after a day of using the legs. And yeah, we ran out of toilet paper too. So that wasn't fun.
Hi James. So we have the bed, loads of sockets for plugs, a little bit of hanging up space. Here's the bathroom, nice shower, all the essentials. A hairdryer. It's me.
It's me.
Hello.
So we're like just in a good spot for the city. We're like right beside everything, which is amazing.
Yeah, we're next to the Heineken Experience, and we have the metro literally right next to us, so we're able to come and go fairly easy. Versus our last few times where we were in the middle of nowhere.
No, literally, that wasn't a bad idea. So we definitely planned it a lot better this time.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, we're off to go see some sights. And
Should be really fun. So follow us there. Let's go.
so James, where are we off to today?
So we're going on a boat tour around the Amsterdam canals. What is it again? We're doing cheese and wine, isn't it?
It is, yes. So we've done the normal boat cruise around it. Sorry about this, there's construction everywhere in Amsterdam today.
Yeah.
And this time we decided to do the fancy wine and cheese one.
Yeah, so unfortunately it's going to be super loud anytime we do try and record, but we're going to try and pop in and out with everyone and keep you updated.
Exactly. And this is outside the Anne Frank house as well, so we'll show you the Anne Frank house too.
Yeah.
Now we couldn't go in because we only booked this holiday like 2 weeks ago, and we're never getting tickets in 2 weeks. They're like months in advance sold out.
No, absolutely not.
So yeah, we will skip on over to the boat and see you guys there.
Let's go.
So here we are on the boat on Amsterdam. There's a lot of warnings about jumping into these canals and swimming in them. A lot of tourists have had some accidents, but regardless of that, they are beautiful. There's a lot of bikes under the canal, so if you need a spare bike, get yourself a little hoisty hook and pull out a bike. That's a boathouse we're looking at. I would be afraid to live on them, but they look really cool.
Not today.
Look them up all.
They're not full.
God, look what we got.
Oh, look at that. That's a big boy.
And if you want to see 14 bridges in one row, you just go to the coffee shop before. also, if you didn't get a good picture, it's the most famous Google picture, so don't you worry.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Got that? All in a row. What's she got?
That is very cool. What do you think?
That's one. The amount of bridges in a row.
That's crazy. I can't even barely make 2 slices of toast, let alone 7 bridges. What about you?
I can make 7 bridges of toast. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sure.
I just took the whole board.
We're gonna put it back.
So, as any boat tour, we're trying to get the pictures for the gram. We were going to screenshot it out of the video, so just ignore this part. We're just trying to get our selfie game up, and there's the cheese board. Oh yeah!
That cheese was absolutely phenomenal. We would really recommend anyone that goes to Amsterdam get on that boat because it's beautiful. And here's some more selfies.
So just enjoy us having our selfie time. We're trying to take our pictures and get them touristy photos for the gram.
Right. That's why also to sink a little bit into the ground.
Jeez, the line on here is brilliant.
Yeah, it is. It's a really good one.
Hello.
So we just done the boat tour, which was amazing. What do you think?
Yeah, it was brilliant. Lots of wine and cheese. Me and Danielle absolutely slaughtered the platter.
Yes, we did. Everyone was like shy, and me and James were like, we'll just take all of the cheese board.
Yeah, we were like very hungry for weird reasons. So
Oh, it was really good though. It's like, because we've both done a few different canal tour type of things when we've been here. Well, each different time we've been here. I think that one's kind of the best one to do. It was more relaxed.
yeah, it was very relaxed. We learned a lot. Like we learned the canals were actually for salt and pepper East Dutch Indian Trading Company.
Yep.
Where you're using the canals, and then we learned what the hooks on the buildings were actually for.
So it was like, it was a nice mix of, sorry, there's a car rolling past us. It was a nice mix of history, and they also gave you like certain parts that you can just kind of relax and take the views in, which was quite good.
Yeah. And they basically made a joke of an Irish stereotype, you know. And now,
Stop. So they said an Irish stereotype about drinking, and when they came around at the end, they were like, does anybody want a drink to take? Owning me and James said yes.
yeah. And of course, we had to get extra.
We both got a cheeky Heineken.
We don't have a drinking problem, I swear.
But I mean, they said to use want some more, so obviously we're going to say that.
Yeah, we were enjoying ourselves.
To be fair though, that cheese was probably one of the best cheeses I've had.
Yeah.
And they had a nice like spicy mustard dip for the cheese as well, which shouldn't work, but it did.
Yeah, it worked really well with it.
Yeah. All in all though, it was, to be fair, like I said, the mixture of the history and just being able to take in the views was amazing.
Yeah, 100%.
I really enjoyed it. Did you?
Yeah, so we're going to cut out and you can have a look at our footage from the boat now.
Absolutely. Bye.
So, as we were going along here, we were being shown the canal of where the trade route was going on. So, Amsterdam was booming for all them good exotic spices. And the tour guides were telling us about why the houses are built the way they are. And they were telling us then about Lover's Bridge. One bridge, if you kiss, you fall in love forever. Of course, me and Danielle have to kiss on the bridge then. Because we already knew we were in love forever.
So this is Lover's Bridge here, and behind this bridge there's Tinder Bridge, which we couldn't take a picture of, which apparently if you kiss someone there you have a date with them. Ooh, spicy.
And it doesn't last.
So this is Anne Frank's house. Oh. We couldn't get in obviously because, you know, tickets, they're sold out once in advance. But here is the door where she lives.
Here's the door. We'll show you how big the queue is.
It's crazy. So yeah, that's quite cool that that's sorry, we have to move over because people are getting pictures of it. It's quite cool that that's still there though now after all these years, isn't it?
Yeah, after everything that went on, the house is still well preserved.
They managed to just be able to keep it the way it is.
Yeah. We'll have to do an outfit of the day after.
My outfits, right? I don't usually wear outfits like this, but
This is the trick.
so we had. Oh, that's my face. We definitely got our money's worth on the alcohol side of things.
Yeah, 100%. Also, a big fact: we haven't eaten breakfast yet, so that's probably a big thing.
No, but we knew we were going on a cheese tour, and we had so much cheese.
Yeah, I think that was the dead giveaway for us for the boat, the cheese.
Yeah, I mean, like that tour was kind of hidden. I don't know how we managed to find it, but we did, and I'm glad we did because it was well worth it.
Yeah, it was brilliant. We definitely learned a lot about the history here. We didn't realise the hooks in the house were to do with hoisting, but now we know, and it's all about spices.
Spice is life. Is it like cute? Oh, it's not big now.
A lot bigger earlier.
No, it was. It was like wrapping around the whole building.
Some amazing Amsterdam views.
I lost.
As usual, I got us lost.
I think it's behind me. But I don't know.
Stopped for cocktails. Yummy 10 tenths for James. Danielle is confused, but it's nice. What is a menu? Stay tuned. For a part. Too soon.